video. My name is Diane, aka Savvy Pink Lady. So here we like to talk about handbags and different handbag related items. And for today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing of my brand new Saint Laurent purchase. I have really been into Saint Laurent lately because I think that their items are really pretty and I think that they're really good and well made. Also, my name of Savvy Pink Lady, I am totally into shopping, but I love getting things on sale. As I was browsing last night, I saw that they were having a really good sale, so I wanted to share that with you on how you can get the same exact item and you can save over $100 on this item. And if you really enjoyed today's video, I would love to have you subscribe as I continue to share different handbag related items. So let's get started. All right, so beginning with the unboxing, came like this. Here in this envelope, there is my sales receipt. It is also really nice because it comes with a return label in case for whatever reason. It says you can return your purchase within 30 days from the delivery or pickup date following the steps below. And so, yeah, and then there's this thank you card in here as well. And then so opening up the box, just kind of turn it so you can see, and it says Saint Laurent right there in the middle. And then opening up, there's this black tissue paper, and then there's a little sticker here, and it says Saint Laurent. It's a really pretty presentation. And then there we go. There's the item. It's in its own dust bag. So let's get this out. Here we go. So this is the Saint Laurent Monogram large bill pouch in the grain embossed leather, and this leather is the more durable calfskin leather, and you can see all the details of the leather in terms of the grain. You can see the chevron stitching, and the YSL is a really pretty, really shiny gold hardware. The larger size is the clutch version, and here you can see the clutch. This is removable and it says Saint Laurent like right there, and then the strap itself is also the grain leather that matches the pouch. So there's a pocket here in the front. There is also a pocket here in the back. There are 4 card slots here, and it says Saint Laurent right there. And when you open it up, it's like the Neverfull pouch there's a flap here, and then otherwise it's just an open pouch. And then on the inside down there, it says Saint Laurent Paris. And then on the other side, there's another tag down at the bottom. It's black, so I don't know if it's showing on camera, but it is the authenticity code. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I got this. I was a little hesitant because it kind of reminds me of the Neverfull pouch in the terms of the size and how flat this pouch is. But I really like how there are these 2 external front pockets that can be quite wide, and also because it has the card holder slots. If you're interested, be on the lookout. I will make another video comparing this bill pouch with my Neverfull pouch as well as my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, because I love my mini pochette, but I wanted something similar from Saint Laurent, and so I was hoping that this would be it. I really think this is a pretty pouch. This does come in a smaller size, but the smaller size does not have this clutch part to it, or it also doesn't have the card slots on the back. And so that's why I chose to go with this one. So there we go. There's the front. And let me show you the back. So now I wanted to share on how to save money on your purchase. So this retails for $545 on the Saint Laurent website, but as I was browsing last night, I saw that it was on sale. Before I give you the details, I wanted to share that none of this is sponsored, by the way, but I wanted to share it with you guys in case you're interested in getting this pouch, or in case you're interested in other Saint Laurent purchases as well that's currently also on sale. So Neiman Marcus is a department store, and they're having a promotion where if you spend $250, you can get a $35 gift card, or if you spend $500, you can get a $75 gift card, and that is where this pouch falls into. Or if you spend $1,000, then you can get a $150 gift card. In order to get this promotion and get the money, you have to enter the code NM today when you make your purchase, and this promotion through Neiman Marcus ends this evening, 2/9 at 10 p.m. Central. On their website, they have a lot of other designer items. So like I said, this pouch is on sale. They also have Saint Laurent card holders and wallets. They even have full-size handbags like my puffer. I saw this on sale as well. So if you're interested, like I said, this is not sponsored at all, but because I'm doing an unboxing and I saw this on sale, I wanted to share that with you guys so you guys can catch in on the sale as well. In addition to getting this $75 gift card, which essentially I view as getting this for $75 off, be sure to also make an account through Rakuten. I will link it down below. It is this website. They also have an app. So I have this app on my phone. It's this purple one right here. It's called Rokuten. And any single time I am making an online purchase, I always check Rakuten because it's like free cashback money. So right now, if you click the Neiman Marcus, if you go through their app right now, they are having an additional 10% off. And so how Rakuten works is you go through the website or the app and it will directly link you to the Neiman Marcus website or whatever store. They have hundreds of different retailers and other stuff, but you have to go through their app to get the 10% off. And see how it says this is for Neiman Marcus. They're currently having a 10% off promotion. So if you hit shop now, and now it brings you directly to the Neiman Marcus website. So you don't have to worry about purchasing some other third-party person, where I'm very hesitant, especially when you're spending so much money on designer items. I want to make sure I'm getting the authentic item. But even through Rakuten, it's just a way where you can get 10% off your purchase. Like I said, none of this is sponsored, but I did want to share this with you because it is a way to get this pouch. Retail price is $545, but through the Neiman Marcus promotion right now, you can get a $75 off plus an additional 10% off that as well. I will link all that stuff below. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found today's video entertaining and really useful. And if you did, I would love to have you subscribe and follow along here, where we like to talk about different handbags, review different handbag related items. So that's pretty much it. Otherwise, take care. I hope you stay safe and I hope you have a great rest of the week. Bye.